Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome back to day 2 of the Halong Bay Vietnam series. So today we are finishing off our cruise in Halong Bay. We're going to be having breakfast, we go on another excursion, then we have lunch and head back to Hanoi and then explore the old quarter in Hanoi for a bit. If you missed day 1 of Halong Bay, make sure you go back and watch that. So we travelled down from Hanoi to Halong Bay for a beautiful cruise around this area of Vietnam. So we started off with breakfast, and I think I mentioned it in the last Halong Bay cruise, but you have a pretty tight itinerary on these cruises. You are only on them for 2, sometimes 3 days. So you only have a certain amount of time to go to breakfast. So I think breakfast for this cruise was 6:30 to 7:30, something like that. So it is early, but it's great to see there are so many food options available. You have plenty of fruit. You could choose different omelets and have different extras added to your omelets. There were some sausages and bacon and cheese and hams and some kind of pastry items. Nothing too special, but it did us for the morning before we went out on our first excursion. So our cruise today was to Tiptop Island. So again, like we mentioned yesterday, you went onto a smaller boat. So we jumped onto this smaller boat that took us to the island. And Tiptop Island is known for having this beautiful viewpoint of all of the area, of all of the bay. And again, just to pre-warn you, there are plenty of steps to hike up. There are some stops on the way to get some great views from as well. And just make sure you wear proper shoes because it is a bit of a hike. But look at this stunning view when you get to the top. We absolutely loved going up here and seeing the view from the top of this viewpoint. And fun fact, you can actually go swimming in the waters here. There is like a little beach, but to be honest, I wouldn't advise it. The water in Halong Bay, unfortunately, it's pretty grim with so many boats running tours here. So perhaps save the swim for your hotel back in the city because I don't reckon you want to be swimming in this beach too much. But this is the second time we've done this cruise, and both times we have seen some people brave it and go swimming in these waters as well. Then you head back to the boat and you have some lunch. So it's a similar situation to the day before for lunch. It's a buffet styled meal. And you have various Asian dishes, you have a few different sweet treats and fruits to choose from, and lots of different options. And I always recommend, if you are new to Asia and new to Asian cuisine, especially when you're in Asia, because Asian food elsewhere in the world is not the same as it is in Asia. But if you are new to Asia and new to food in Asia, I would highly recommend finding a buffet wherever you are and trying lots of different types of food, because it's the best way to get a really good idea of the flavors that you like and also the spice levels that you can handle. So when we finished our food, we had some time to pack up. We are now heading back to the port so that we can go back to Hanoi. And like I said before, I absolutely love Halong Bay. I would definitely recommend it if you are heading to Asia or you love beautiful nature and beautiful scenery, then this is the place to visit. It really is stunning. Like I said before, this is our second time, and I would definitely recommend trying to get a cruise with a balcony because it just tops off the whole experience. But we loved our time on this cruise, and like I said in the last video, this was the Alisa Cruise, so I will make sure to leave the link for this cruise in the description below because it was just beautiful. There was so much, they were so attentive, the people were great. So we've had our lunch and we are now taking the 2.5-3 hour journey back to Hanoi. And we opted for a private car. There were 4 of us traveling, so we just went for a private car and are heading up there. Again, you stop at a little place on the way, as you did on the way down to Halong Bay. And we got back to Hanoi for, I think this was probably about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, we went back to the same hotel that we were staying in for the first 2 nights and went to the same banh mi place because I am obsessed with these baguettes. They are amazing. They are Vietnamese baguettes that have various meats in them, various vegetables and salads, and I just love them. They're amazing. What can I say about them? They're just amazing. So yeah, so we had one of those as a quick bite to eat because after a long journey, we were quite hungry. Went back to the hotel room, freshened up a little bit, and then went out in the night. So we were staying in the old quarter and we were just exploring the streets. There are quite a lot of restaurants and bars in the old quarter that were a little bit quirky. We loved kind of just walking around the streets, getting lost in the old quarter area and just seeing what we could find along the way. Now, in the old quarter, there is a big lake in the center of the old quarter. I think it's called Hon Kim Lake. I will find the name of that and write it on the screen. But there's a big lake, and near the lake there is a big kind of junction area where that's really, really busy, and trying to cross the road is a bit of a mission. But when you do cross the road, you will find this massive building that has various restaurants on each floor, and we are heading to the Legend Beer place. So it is like a little bar that's, I think this was like the 4th or 5th floor up, and you get a view of this very, very busy junction, which was fantastic. We loved visiting here, and we loved having a drink up and just kind of watching the city go by. So yes, that was our travel day back from Halong Bay. I really enjoyed our trip just in general, and we have another day or two in Halong Bay before we head down to Da Nang and we visit Ho Chi Minh City as well. But those videos will be coming after Christmas now because we have Vlogmas coming up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful and you liked the video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when the rest of this Vietnam series is up in a few weeks' time. Also, check out our Vlogmas. It's coming up soon. For those of you who don't know, I am Katie and I live in Bangkok, and I'm going to be vlogging our Christmas here in Bangkok. So yeah, it should be got some fun things coming up. So thank you so much for supporting this channel, and I shall see you soon. Bye.